I am traveling from Zirakpur towards Satbir Zoo. From there I will take the Patiala Chandigarh road and return back towards my home. Since there was a lot of traffic jam on Zirakpur Chandigarh road, that's why I opted to divert towards this route. Earlier I had visited Sardar Motors, which is my web designing client. Visit civicera.com for more details. And all the features of Realme 8 combined with JBL Zip 20 related to Alexa and Google Music or voice assisted devices were checked. Most of the time the Google Assist takes into effect even if you have set the default assistant application as Alexa. But then when I unlock the device, that problem has been resolved. It means for the first time you have to unlock the device and start using Alexa. Then it will take the default as Alexa only. Moderna is studying on the new risk related to rare diseases side effects on minor children. Even now the coronavirus pandemic has not become over. That's why I am carrying the sanitizer with me. Now I am spraying it on my hands. Since my web designing client offered me cold drinks, they were also giving me many gifts, but I denied since I am riding bicycle. I couldn't accompany all those gifts along with me. They haven't seen my YouTube channel because of time constraints. I have never told anyone about my hobbies or sources of extra income like YouTube and Google Analytics. You might have seen many reputed brands randomly appearing on start and mid-roll advertisements. They are due to the captions which I am providing. Since I used to narrate each and every instant or news too politely, and I am extremely slow in narrating, and my vocabulary is also slightly up to the specifications of YouTube. That's why these advertisements can be seen. Otherwise no super chat user can be able to get so much advertisements. You have to become a silver or diamond, and when a silver plate reaches you, through YouTube, then only these reputed brands facilitate your business to grow. I will broadcast till Shabbir too. There are a lot of dump yards scattered everywhere in the cities. Only the type and place of garbage has been changed. They have approved the dictionary meaning of recycling like that only. But there is nothing called brainy achievement. Many sweet shops and alcohol bars have started evolving. I didn't pay much attention to cryptocurrencies opportunities because you have to choose one IT field or another. Cryptocurrency and banner advertisements or any kind of app development can run parallel with a single person if he has that much spare time, or employees like cooks and washermen, gardeners, car washing employees kept permanent in his or her house and who used to provide all the services. It is not possible to achieve everything in life. You can't design website, keep on providing analytic services to your clients and simultaneously एंट्री कितनी है? एंट्री चार्ज कितना है?
एंट्री चार्ज तो 100 रुपये टिकट है।
हैं?
आगे अपर एंट्री गेट आज बंद है।
आज बंद है? वैसे एंट्री चार्ज
मंडे क्लोज
एंट्री चार्ज तो नहीं है?
है आगे
नहीं, यहाँ से जाके उधर से आ सकते हैं बाहर। कितना चार्ज है?
100 रुपये टिकट है, आज बंद है पर क्लोज है।
Zoo is closed on Mondays, but we have to pay for entry also. Otherwise there is no sense in entering when the zoo has been closed for weekly timings. Another entry 250 meters from here. I am accompanying protein, otherwise I would have paid 100 rupees and bought any patty or burger. but there is no need of any supplement if you are replenishing through Ultimate Protein. According to the packet, it will get expired during November 2021 itself. That's why I smelled it yesterday, but I don't think it has already expired. It can be used at least up to 15th. I will try to get it consumed within that. It was only 10% of it. The product has been spared in the box. I had already posted a small review about Ultimate Protein. I will increase the speed so that the remaining journey till the national highway will be covered in a lesser amount of times. And 8 GB or 4 to 6 GB of videos are enough. You might have seen the Realme review. Can you imagine without watching any of the review in the past 6 months from the day Realme was launched in April 21? I provided you a short review, and if you will watch all other reviews, you will find that I have ruled out all the criticizations against the product, because people used to buy several products. Some of them are shopkeepers who used to give you fake information after providing demonstration to their regular customers. Then they think that this product will be sold at throwaway prices, and it's good to provide false information to the customers so that we will gain simultaneously from YouTube and then sell it to any other potential customer, and without any source of information. Like some of them were criticizing the camera, comparing it with Samsung or Realme 7 or Realme 7 Pro. Some of them were criticizing image stabilization. Some of them were criticizing that it's like Snapdragon. Even the Helios have 12 channels processors, and it consumes a lot of energy. You should talk in a potential and practical way only. If you are able to use your mobile for 1.5 days, that should be sufficient, even if the battery contains 5,000 mAh of power or 6,000 mAh of power. Even if the Snapdragon consume more energy, you don't have any knowledge about the energy units. Even then you criticize any product because you know that you will gain from YouTube hits. That is the only reason behind the failures of so many companies, that is really against the environment. These companies fail and collapse, then they invest in other companies, and zero emission norms are not followed. So because they have become so frustrated, they don't want to follow any images. They think that the whole world is not recognizable enough, or they don't deserve good air, good water, because they haven't provided respect for the efforts of providing good quality products. How can you compare color saturations of different products? How can you compare leaves pictures taken in United States and then compare it with the same plant in Canada or desert area, and then say that okay, that person took picture of any leaf in this part of the world and don't provide the input of information and say that color saturation is very high in Realme, it is distorted in Samsung. You can't say like that. Since you don't know the stringent efforts involved in developing any product, that's why you are so much careless. And even YouTube don't bother because other companies are providing them. Some of the videos are like that. A person is criticizing energy product of any brand, and the same company will provide advertisement without any knowledge, because artificial intelligence taken to course. The artificial intelligence don't even know where their money is being diverted, because they are not human beings. It is a code. I have mentioned you several times. If I want GoPro ad, it will appear in my YouTube. If I want Samsung Galaxy Flip or Fold, it appeared in my Realme also. Even when I didn't criticize, even if I would have criticized this product, the Samsung advertisement would have been appearing, because of the vocabulary which is being translated through captions. They don't even bother. I didn't compare Samsung with Realme. After all, both products are competing with each other, and no one knows without using the product for 2.5 or 3.5 years, because every mobile runs efficiently for 1.5 years. It's only when you will utilize it for 2.5 years, then only the real test of product will be known, whether the performance pledged by the company is accurate or not. I am about to reach the national highway. I will end this broadcast from there. There is a lot of traffic jam, so I will pack my Kids Park. I have recorded this broadcast in 4K 60 FPS after a long time. I don't use this route, but today I opted to avoid the traffic congestion. I left my home about 1 hour ago. It's 2:20 p.m. You can see I'm about to reach the Patiala Chandigarh highway. Turn to its right, then end this broadcast.